Hey fellow creatives, are you ready to take the leap into freelancing full-time? Well, before you jump into it, there are some crucial steps you need to take. In this video, I'll share the most important tips that will help you transition smoothly and successfully into a full-time freelance career. These steps will guide you to building a sustainable and thriving business. Number 1. Financial stability. You have to make sure you have a good financial cushion, ideally 4 to 6 months, of living expenses saved up. This will help you manage any dry spells and give you peace of mind. Number 2. Skill assessment. Be honest about your current skills and experience. Identify any gaps and consider taking courses or gaining that experience to strengthen your skill set. Your expertise will be your main selling point. Number 3. Build a contact list. Start networking now by reaching out to former colleagues, friends, family, and industry connections. Let them know you're going freelance and don't be afraid to ask if they or someone they know need your services. Number 4. Legal setup. Register your business in your state and get your tax ID or EIN tax number and choose the right legal structure, such as sole proprietorship, LLC, or S-Corp. This will protect you legally and offer tax benefits. Also, if you need any, get any necessary licenses or permits for your field. Number 5. Manage accounts. Open a business account to separate your personal and business finances. This makes it easier to manage your money and track your business expenses. Consider working with an accountant to stay on top of your taxes and future financial planning. Number 6. Financial management tools. Make sure to invest in software to manage your finances. Apps like QuickBooks, FreshBooks, or Wave can help you track expenses, send invoices, and manage your cash flow. Number 7. Workspace. Create a dedicated workspace at home or consider renting a co-working space. A professional environment helps you stay productive and separate work from personal life. Number 8. Health insurance and benefits. Let's not forget, you gotta take care of yourself. So you'll need to get health insurance and other benefits for yourself. Make sure to research options that fit your budget and needs. Number 9. Time management skills. Freelancing requires excellent time management. Use project management tools like Trello, Asana, or even Google Calendar to organize your tasks and deadlines. Organize your days into time blocks so you stay on track. Number 10. Client management. Develop clear contracts and proposals. Outline your scope of work, deadlines, and payment terms. This ensures a smooth working relationship and protects both parties. Number 11. Making sure you have consistent income. Freelancing can be unpredictable, and your income will be as well unless you're always looking for new work. Even when you're busy with current projects, to avoid periods of no income, make it a habit to continuously seek for new opportunities. Dedicate time each week to reach out to your contacts, get new clients, and ask current clients for more work that might be coming down the pipeline. Keep hustling and stay proactive in finding new gigs. By taking these steps, you'll set yourself up for a successful transition into full-time freelancing. On the next video, I'll be talking about the top tips to get you started with the freelancing career, so stay tuned. If you found this video helpful, I would greatly appreciate it if you could like it and subscribe. Also, don't forget to comment below if you have any questions. So good luck and get started. Thanks for watching.